The RBI has said that banks are better positioned than before in managing stress in their balance sheet in view of higher capital buffers, better recoveries, and return to profitability. Amid conflicting figures of COVID death emerging in officials and media claims, Congress is considering crowdsourcing to reach what will say will be a rough estimate of fatalities on account of the second COVID waves. When the GST Council meets after a gap of 7 months on Friday, on its agenda are issues related to the economy, but discussions will be on political line, be it levies on vaccines or greater state-to-state and running to all the powerful panel. In a sign that the spread of COVID-19 infections is slowing, daily positivity rate in Maharashtra has dropped to single digit. The mystery surrounding the sudden disappearance and subsequent capture of fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi has deepened. A new conspiracy theory has now emerged that the Indian businessman was abducted from Antigua on Sunday and was found in neighboring Dominica on Sunday. Japan is looking to extend a state of emergency in Tokyo and other areas by about 3 weeks to June 20, a cabinet minister said on Friday, as the COVID-19 pandemic shows no sign of easing less than 2 months before the Summer Olympics open. China is coming under increasing pressure over probe into the origins of the COVID-19, even as scientists are demanding more clarity to go into the roots of the global pandemic. A prominent Hindu-American advocacy group alleged on Thursday that it has been threatened by Pakistani for recently launching a website exposing the role of the Pakistan Army in the 1971 genocide in Bangladesh. A bat decided to hitch a free ride on board on Air India flight to New York, which had the pilots return to land back into the Delhi about 2 hours after takeoff on Thursday. Ranbir's Kapoor mother and veteran actress Neetu Kapoor is an avid social media user. She is often seen sharing glimpses of her daily routine on Instagram. She also posts throwback pictures features at her late husband Rishi Kapoor. Recently, Neetu was seen having a galaxy time with her girl gang, which also include Alia Bhatt mother Soni Razdan.